In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to use Pika Labs on Discord server. So right here guys, how do you actually join Pika Labs using the Discord server? Guys, you want to simply follow the steps I'm going to show you right here on this video for you to be able to join the Discord server right here on Pika Labs. So right here guys, how do you join the Pika Labs Discord server? Now, joining the Pika Labs Discord server is a straightforward process, and this video we walk you through each step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. So right here guys, on the Pika Labs Discord server guide, the step 1 is simply accessing the server. Now you want to simply open the server link. You begin by clicking on the following link to the Pika Labs Discord server. So guys, you want to simply tap on this Pika invites link. So once you're done with that, you go on to step 2, which is joining the server. So the first step is to simply enter your username. Once you click the link, you will be prompted to enter your Discord's username. You accept the invite. Once you're done accepting your invite right here, you go on to step 3, which is logging in. So you enter your email and password, and if you are not already logging into Discord, you will simply need to enter your email and password. So once you're done doing that, after entering your credentials, you click on the login button to access the Pika Discord server right there. So that is it for our step 3. So go on to step 4, which is navigating the server. So on the left side of the Discord interface, you click on the Pika Labs icon to enter the server. And now once you're done with that, you can explore the server. You can now explore various channels, features of the Pika Labs. Then you go on to step 5, which is creating your AI video. So guys, I'm just going to show you how to do just that. So right here guys, I've been able to enter my Pika Labs. So right here guys, you're welcome to the Pika Labs Discord server application right here. So this is how it's going to look like once you're done. So you simply, for you to be able to do this, so right here guys, if we go on to step number 4, which is navigating the server right here guys, as you can see, getting started, recent updates, rules, prompt tutorial, welcome, and the rest of them right there. You can easily go through all of this to see how it actually works. Now guys, if you simply go on to step 5, which is creating AI videos, so the first thing you want to simply do is to select a creation room. So how do we actually do that right here? If I simply scroll down right here guys, you see the option there that says creation, and right here we have the hashtag generates 1 up to 10, which is the step 5 right here. Now start creating a selected creation room. You can easily start creating your AI videos. So right here, you simply just choosing any creation room. Let's simply make use of creation 3, that generates hashtag 3. So once you write here, the first thing you want to do is to simply put in slash. So once you do that, you have slash create prompt, and you can also animate your video. So let's simply make use of the create right here by making use of prompt. So you tap on this, and this is going to show up right here. So you can easily paste in your prompts, or you can easily write in the prompts right there. And once you're done, you can easily add more prompts right here. But I'm just going to make use of this and go on to enter. As you can see, generating video, please be patient. So I want to simply be patient for a few minutes, and this will be done generating. So guys, this is it for the slash just create right here. Now you can also animate your video by doing the same process, putting slash. Then guys, all you want to do is to go on to animate right there, and you can easily just put in the image and enter right there. So guys, let's simply see what this are for us right here. Right here guys, as you can see, we have been able to generate this amazing video. So let's simply play this. So this is how our video actually looks like right here. So guys, this is how you can actually use Pika Labs on Discord server. You want to simply go through all the steps that I have showed you right here on this video, and simply go onto your Discord and simply create amazing AI videos right here. So this is how you can actually make use of Pika Labs on Discord.